what's up YouTube family? It's your boy Deep here with Caribbean Ducks, where we cook with lots of layers of flavor. Welcome back to the channel. It's Caribbean Ducks. Hope everyone is having a wonderful week. And we're going to get started with our lamb chops and fresh vegetables. Keep watching for the recipe. I'm glad you can join me. Remember, if you're new, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this with exciting recipes. Let's get started with our beautiful lamb chops here. Washed and clean and trim. Beautifully marbleized. This is the one that we want. This is gonna make it nice and juicy and tender. So the first thing we want to do after we wash our meat is to pat it dry on both sides. Try to get as much of those excess moisture off of it. And this is our trio of ingredients that we're using here: rosemary, thyme, and garlic, some butter, salt, kosher salt, and black pepper. And now we're gonna shred all of our ingredients and get ready to chop it up into fine mince. About 3 sprigs of rosemary and 5 sprigs of thyme. Once again, guys, you can use your powder thyme, your powder rosemary, anything will work. And we have about 6 cloves of garlic. This is just my preference to use fresh ingredients. And chop, chop, chop into tiny little pieces till we get it into a mince. And that's it. We heat up our butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and add our mince seasoning and spice together. Now we add our kosher salt and black pepper, combine everything together, and we're ready for this spread. Not much to it, simple and easy. Now we're gonna lay out our racks of lamb chops and get ready to smother this beautiful, creamy rosemary thyme right over it. We're gonna spread it and lather it on real nice. Now we're gonna heat up our pan, a nice heavy bottom pan. Okay, bring it up to a nice hot temperature. And we're gonna sear our lamb chops. And this is to lock in all those wonderful flavor and juices. So it's gonna be nice and juicy. If you don't do this step to lock in the flavor and the juices, you're gonna lose a lot of moisture. And now we lather the other side with this ingredient, with our rosemary butter sauce onto the other side. And let it cook for just a few minutes until it's seared. Give it a flip. I say the most about 2 minutes on each side, just to lock in those flavors. This is what we're looking like at this time. We're gonna get the other side nice and crusty just like this. Now here's the trick. We seal it up with some tin foil. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And that's all to it for lamb chops. Simple, easy recipe, just like I told you. Now we're gonna prepare our vegetables here. We got mushroom, asparagus, sweet peppers, zucchini, yellow squash, some parsley, cilantro, some carrots, some garlic, onion, tomatoes. We're gonna chop everything up together. Going with a little piece of butter, about 1 tablespoon of butter. Add our onions and garlics and all our ingredients in at this time. with a little piece of tomato to bring out some acidity. And we're gonna saute this until the onions are translucent. And then we're gonna go in with our vegetables. First thing, we're gonna go in with our mushroom. We're going in with layers here. And I'm gonna show you a little trick here on how to keep your vegetables nice and crunchy, just like we do. We're going with it with layers. Add our peppers, our zucchini, carrots. Now, I didn't get to video this part, but we're gonna go in with some salt and pepper for our vegetables and a little bit of light soy sauce. We're gonna give it a quick toss, and this should only take about 3 to 4 minutes. And we're gonna cut this heat off and just let it steam. We just want these vegetables to steam, not to overcook. Cover it down, turn the heat off, and voila, we have some beautiful steamed vegetables to go along with our beautiful lamb chops. Make sure the soy sauce is mixed in with the vegetable. Get ready to serve. And we have some delicious sorrel drink to go along with our meal tonight. There's a nice juicy tender lamb chops with our fresh crunchy vegetables. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if I can do it, you can do it. Some fresh butter sauce on the asparagus, butter garlic sauce. And we're ready to dig in.
Flavorful and still yet remain with some crunchy inside, which is the way I like it. Not too soft, just the right texture. Has a good flavor to it too. Yum.
What do you have there to drink?
I have sorrel to go with today's meal. That's a strong flavor of sorrel.
You wanna try the asparagus? Asparagus and butter garlic sauce. And it's nice and crunchy too.
Yep. You can taste the garlic.
Alright, lunch is served.
I'm gonna try to make fall off without not much pressure on the knife. Look at that.
Well cooked.
Less pressure on the knife, less pressure on the teeth too.
Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this interesting, please remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and please do ring that notification bell so you can get more video like this as soon as I post them. Thank you and have a wonderful week. Stay blessed.